In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to use AutoDS for Amazon, so you can dropship on Amazon. If you are interested in starting with AutoDS, you can check the link in the description. Firstly, make sure to choose your subscription plan through the AutoDS website, not through Amazon or other platforms. This ensures that all selling channels remain available. Now go to the main menu on the sidebar of your AutoDS dashboard, then click on Add Store. After clicking on Add Store, you'll be prompted to select the selling channel. Choose Amazon Store and click Continue. Now you'll be redirected to Amazon for authentication. Log in with your Amazon Seller Partner account and click V and approve AutoDS's access to your Amazon account. Once Amazon finishes the authorization process, you'll be taken back to your AutoDS account. Give your store a name and select the marketplace like Amazon US, Amazon UK you are selling in. Now your Amazon store is now integrated with AutoDS and you're ready to add products and start automating your dropshipping process.